How to recover deleted messages on Messenger on the new update. First step is to open the Facebook application. Proceed to the menu on the bottom part of the app. Scroll down and you'll see Settings and Privacy. Click on the Settings and then choose Profile Settings. Proceed to your Facebook information and then download profile information. Click on Request a download and then select your account where you want to recover your messages. Click on Next. Select Types of Information since we won't be needing other details aside from the messages. Choose Messages. Just leave the file format to HTML, adjust the media quality to high, and choose the rate range of the messages that you want to recover. Submit your request, and it will take 2 to 6 days to download your data. But after downloading, you can just open the HTML file and read all the deleted messages. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.